Good morning. I'm about to head out to school. It is currently 8:35 in the morning. I just finished getting ready for school. So about to head out. Doo-doo-doo. Not much to do today. But if it is interesting, we will definitely try and record it. I don't have much, but this is the fit. But yeah. We not too hot, not too cold outside today. It is kind of pretty windy, so it's probably gonna be windy today, but it's hot. Anything. So yeah. I gotta go ahead and head to school, so I'll see you guys there. This is people outside in the vlog.
Are you recording right now? Hey vlog, see you in like, I don't know.
Oh my god. Say hi. Hi. Josh, say hi.
What?
Say hi.
What's up guys? It's me, Josh. And today on Ryan's vlog, we're gonna be fucking bitches and getting money. Why are you getting it?
Oh, damn, that's crazy.
Bye Mr. Bucker now.
Period 5's done. I'm about finished for the day until period 8. Period 8. I have the rest of the day off until period 8. I mean, I don't have to be here, but I'm probably just gonna hang out.
Shut the fuck up, no extra vlogs.
Listen. I need to ask you a question. I need you to state your name. State your name.
My name is Josh.
Okay. Who's the finest girl in school?
Shit. Fuck. Darson, Garcia Nicole.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
10.
10?
Different angles of incidence and different thicknesses of the soap film, so you can get very complex looking patterns. Here's an example of a soap film where here are blue rays that were constructively interfering. There's some purplish waves that were constructively interfering. And then there are regions where it's kind of black, where no waves were interfering, or maybe yellow waves were interfering. So you change the soap bubble a little bit, the thickness of the soap or the angle of illumination or whatever, and you can get just an infinite variety.
Okay, well, basically, I gotta do an oil change on the car. The car is at over 7,000 miles, and so it's best that I do an oil change now. So we'll go do that, and then I don't know. Jack's thing in. Because jacks don't do the job. Where's my... I have another jack stand yet? What? Hey, no, I shouldn't be missing one. So here I am, actually missing a jack stand. That is wild. That is very wild. Alright, let's get started. Okay, well, the car's up. I'm about to do the oil change. Yeah. See you guys after. Probably just gonna time lapse this. Yeah. And just like that, we're done. Change the oil, put in some coolant because I was actually low on coolant. So, everything's done. We are full on oil. Oil filter and everything. So, yeah, we're full on everything except windshield wiper fluid. But that's not as important as oil and coolant is. So, that's about it. I mean, nothing more to do. Gonna hop on COD probably, and probably just hop in a call with some friends. Anyway, that's all for today. There's nothing much else I'm gonna be doing. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Okay, so it was a really short vlog today. But for that one clip about Darrison, that's just a joke. It just seemed funny to me at the time. No hate to Darrison. He's a great person. He's like really nice and stuff. Yeah, no hate to Darrison at all. But yeah, today was a pretty short vlog. Nothing else I really wanted to say, but it is currently 10:09 and I am editing the video right now. Right here. Just pulling it from my files, but yeah. Just editing the video right now and it should be up by tonight, just like the last vlog. So yeah. Just wanted to just put that in there. There's no hate towards Darrison. Darrison is a friend of mine. It was just a little joke. Today was pretty short day. It didn't feel as long as yesterday. So yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yep. Vlog 3 gonna come out tomorrow as well. I'm trying to keep up with all this and my homework at the same time. So, trying my best. I'm editing these things as fast as possible and as best as possible. But yeah, you guys will definitely be seeing a lot of Chasen. That's for sure. Jason's like my boy, so shout out to Jason. Go follow him on Instagram at jason.proprios, or is it? It's either jason.proprios or c.proprios on Instagram. Go follow him. And follow me on Instagram, hilario_.ryan. I'll insert those when this is in the recording. So yeah, peace out.